The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for East Central Buchanan County, Central Delaware County, until 8 a.m. At 7:15 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Winthrop, or 10 miles east of Independence, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Manchester, Ryan, Masonville, Manchester Airport, Bailey's Ford Park, Monty, Coffins Grove Park, and Delaware County Fairgrounds around 7:20 a.m. Delhi, Delaware, Buck Creek, and Turtle Creek Park around 7:25 a.m. Earlville and Hopkinton around 7:30 a.m. Dyersville around 7:35 a.m. Take cover now. Do not